I'm going to show you how to attach an Allwrists Iwate rubber strap to your non-quartz 44GS. Take the 1.2 millimeter in diameter spring bar and put it into your strap. Turn your watch upside down and align the bottom portion of the spring bar with the bottom lug. Once that is placed in, you're going to want to push the rubber into the gap between the lugs. Now you're going to depress the top portion of the spring bar and get it into the loosely seated position. In order to seat the top piece of the spring bar, you're going to need to bring it in towards the center of the watch and then forward slightly towards the surface of the watch. To do that, you just take your spring bar tool, push it in slightly until you hear the click, and you're good to go.